Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking, why can't I put images in ChatGPT? I'm trying to upload images, it's not working, I'm putting links. So I'll explain it to you. Right now, ChatGPT is only a model based for text input, so you cannot input images. It's something that's going to be coming. People are mistaking ChatGPT 4 with the GPT-4 model, which you can call with an API key, and then you can input some images and get some information. So I know Microsoft has been working on a visual version of ChatGPT that it's not released. So I'm going to show it to you because they have it public on their Microsoft, on their GitHub account. So what is Visual ChatGPT? Visual ChatGPT connects ChatGPT and a series of visual foundation models to enable and receiving images during chat. So how is it going to work? They put a little GIF here, which is showing the capabilities of what you'll be able to do. So what is this motorcycle color? It's black. Can you remove it? Yes, it removed the motorcycle. Describe the image. It was written the image is a yard. So could you replace a cat with a dog? There. That's cool. So you can come here. I'll put this link inside of the description in the video and you can come and see. So quick start. We're going to try to do this. So I already cloned the repo. Now I'm going to try to create a new environment here. So inside of my terminal, let's create this. Let's say yes. So I'm going to try to install it and play with it. While this is installing, I'll just show you here. So what I'm understanding here, it said, just put yes again, a series of visual foundation models to enable sending and receiving images during chatting. So that's the difference, okay? ChatGPT right now is only a chat. Okay, so you cannot input images and all of that. So let's just continue these steps. I already exported my API key, so I'm just going to try. So here what it's telling me, advice for users, for CPU users, because every model that you're going to use, every foundation uses a lot of RAM, okay? So image editing uses this amount of RAM. Instruct pic to pic uses this amount. Text to image, image captioning. So in the little GIF here, when he's asking what is in this image, it's using this foundation, image captioning, so it's using this amount of RAM. If you want to create a dog, replace it, create an image from scratch, replace it, you need these one, image editing, instruct pics to pics, text to image. I took all of these and asked ChatGPT what each one of them does, and he gave me a description. So image editing is a technique used to manipulate and modify images, including resizing, cropping, color. Instruct to pick a method that utilizes conditional against to generate images from text instructions. So all of these actually use a foundation model. So if you guys want to try also on your local computer, one thing you will need, which I didn't show you here, is to export your API key. Where do you find your API key? That's in your personal account here. You can generate some new keys. I'm not going to show you mine, but you can create and generate an API key. But this means that it's not free. You're going to pay. All right. So if I come here and manage account, I can see my daily usage. It's not expensive. And we have an $18 free credit from OpenAI. So I'm at 10 from $18. Today I used 26 cents. Just trying these, so it's not so expensive, but it's gonna cost you something, so it's not free. So it's telling me here, these advice for CPU user to launch the program, use these two. So I will start these. Let's see what happens. So we're loading the image captioning and the text to image. This means I will have the capability to ask him to generate an image from text and also describe what my images have. So I'll be able to upload an image and ask him to give me a description. I could load more of these by just putting them comma separated. So let's say I wanted to load instruct pics to pics, I would put it with instruct pics to pics underscore CPU for the CPU version. So I'll just pause this video until the server starts. So it's starting here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this link and it's going to open a tab here. And now I have this application running locally. So let's start by asking him, enter and press enter to upload an image or upload an image. So let's start by asking me, give me the picture of a dog wearing a Superman cape. I'm not sure it's going to work, but I'm going to ask it. So as you can see here in my console, it's starting, okay? Generate an image from user input, and it's at 0%. From having tested it before I made this video, I'm going to tell you this is really a long process. It's going to take maybe 6 or 7 minutes. So it's 9:54 right now. I'm going to pause this until it finishes. So it's been 6 minutes already, and I'm only at 58%. So we're almost there, 100%, 11 minutes. I'm still waiting to see my image appear. So there we go. We have it. Here is an image of a dog wearing a Superman cape. So he was able to generate the image from the input I gave him. If I look here in my console, I see it's not finished. I don't know what it's doing. But it's still not finished. It's still thinking. I'll just let it work. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to ask him, because we have, we loaded image editing capabilities. I think image captioning and text to image. Oh no, we did not load the module for image editing. So if I wanted to ask him, example, to replace the dog with a cat, I would have to load a couple of these ones. I'm not sure which ones. I would have to go read about them. So for the rest of this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image. So let's upload this image and see here. I uploaded my image. It received it. And if I look here, just trying to see. No, it's still not finished. So I'm going to let it finish. Because when you upload an image, oh, yeah, he saw it here. So process image captioning, input image, output text, 2 small turtles in a pond. So it already understood what I uploaded. Okay, so I know it's not finished thinking. I have no idea what it's doing. So if I ask him a question, probably I won't get my answer right away because it's still thinking, but I'll try. What, describe? So I'm guessing this is why it's not free. Microsoft, you need big computers to process all this data. So you see the image you provided is of 2 turtles in a pond. So anyways, this gives you a good idea of what is coming, where AI is at right now. And this is something Microsoft is working on and probably will release soon. I have no idea when. They did not announce a release date for this, but it gives you a good idea. That's why ChatGPT right now cannot input images, but it's something that's going to be coming in the future, and it's going to be called Visual ChatGPT. So anyways, if you learned something from this video, if it was valuable for you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will give you some more inputs like this one every week. I'll try to upload a couple of videos, 2 or 3 each week. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.